Hey guys, and welcome to the week of May 18th to the 22nd. I believe it is week 9 in our at home learning time. And it is going to be our last week for the integrated lessons that you'll find on Google Classroom, or some of you guys pick up a packet and do it that way. This will be our last week, and next week will be for catching up and finishing up if you haven't finished things up, making sure everything's turned in, and then we'll officially be on summertime. Our last official day of school is May 29th. All right, so let's take a look at this week's integrated lesson. All right, so hopefully you are still reading at least 20 minutes a day, getting on Google Classroom and doing the work there, but also getting on Dreambox and Lexia. I know that every time I check, there's not a whole lot of participation in that from my class. I mean, some of you are doing great and getting a lot of minutes still, and I'm so proud of you for doing that, because what it's going to do is it's going to help you not slide backwards. You worked so hard this summer, you worked so hard this school year, and I would hate for you to stop practicing and then lose some of that progress that you made and go backwards. I want to make sure that you are ready for third grade when you move on. Okay, that's my job. It's been my job the whole time, is to make sure that you learn what you need to learn. Hopefully, Dreambox and Lexia can help you do that. So our science focus for this week is weather, which the weather was pretty interesting this week. We had some thunderstorms and some tornadoes, in Central Texas, not in San Marcos, but not that far away, really. Definitely a lot of rain, a lot of precipitation. So this week you're going to be tracking the weather. You're going to check the temperature. So my suggestion is to pick a certain time of day and check that temperature at that time every day. So that way you can compare from day to day. And then conditions. So is it rainy? Is it cloudy? Is it, it's not foggy right now, but rainy, cloudy, cold, hot, that kind of thing. For reading this week, we've got a reading connection of weather. So you'll have several pages of a story to read here. And then just like in the weeks past, then you're going to have some questions to check your comprehension. If you'll press present when you read it, and then in the slideshow, so you can actually then should be able to put in your answers. So that way when you share it with me, you submit it, then I can see your answers. A little bit of writing based off of the reading passage. For writing, you're taking a look at this beautiful wintry picture, this wintry scene, and brainstorming some ideas about it, thinking about what you want to write about, and then the next page actually typing it out. If you prefer to write it down on a piece of paper and send that to Ms. Callahan or myself, that works too. For math, we are looking at area. And so area is the amount of space a shape takes up. And so that is our focus for this week, is trying to figure out the square units of an area and what that looks like. So there's a little video here. I'll also probably be making another video to show that for you. And then for social studies, it's a little bit of writing and talking about a community garden and how that can help, because St. Marcos does have a community garden. And then a collage for an art activity. So again, here's some extension activities if you want to learn a little bit more about weather, watch some videos, read some more about weather. And hopefully we see you guys at the daily Zooms. I know we'll continue them next week. I don't know for sure if we'll continue them the week after. Not positive on that. I don't know. I got to find the answer to that one. But we will for sure continue them this week. And so Ms. Callahan and myself will see you at 3 o'clock. Remember, Mondays are Make It Mondays. Tuesdays is Talk About It Tuesday. Wednesday is Workout Wednesday. Thursday is Think About It Thursday. And then on Friday, we don't do a second grade Zoom. We join with the specials area teachers. Again, let Ms. Callahan and myself know if you have any questions or concerns, or if you just want to chat. We're here to talk to you. Miss you guys. Love you. Take care.